pretty boring.
So you can, Alexa, turn living room TV off.
Okay.
G'day, have you missed us? I know it's been about 3 to 6 months. We've moved into a new house. We haven't done the proper house tour yet. Everyone's been growing up. Look how excited they are to be on our Kafkas family YouTube video and other channels as well. That's Grumpy Leo and that's Happy Liv. So, the reason we're doing a video today is because we're going to start doing videos again. But more importantly, is our fridge has died.
Really?
We have no fridge.
We're buying a new fridge. Oh, that's one. We're buying a new fridge.
Yeah, the freezer works, but all our food's gone off, so unless we get a new fridge, we're all going to starve.
Or we just order food. Yeah, that's just going to be boring. Best idea.
No. So, we're off to the shops to buy a fridge.
That's pretty boring. That's pretty boring, so like...
Oh, let's go.
Really, do I have to go? Come on, lazy boys.
Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
We are going to buy a fridge.
Yes, and we're here.
Very entertaining.
Yes, and we're here at.
You'd rather buy a fridge or go gaming? Good guys. We are good guys.
So we've got how many? We're going to do 3 stops today. We're going to go Good Guys. We're going to go
Harvey Norman.
Harvey Norman.
Same thing.
No, it's not. Bunnings and Harvey Norman's not the same thing.
And why can't we go to Harvey Norman? I'm at Bunnings.
And then last stop is Murray Oakley Discounts.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what the Good Guys have got for us.
Let's hope they have a gaming chair so Dad can buy one for me. I have nothing, I only have pencils to spare.
You don't need pencils either.
Well, I already have pencils. I only have pencils and paper to live with.
Okay, find the fridges. Find me fridges. Not bar fridges. No iPads, no electronics, just fridge.
Are you still recording?
Nope.
Why not?
We're not worried about the damn balls. Hello, how are ya? Best deal on a double door fridge with water and ice dispenser. Let's see, Leo. Let's see which one. Let's see.
I want one.
I'd have to check prices for you. Do you want the quad door design where you've got the individual doors?
No. No, we want the best value. So 3/4 is too much.
How much budget was?
Up to 2.4 max.
Look what you can put in there.
Yeah.
Melted cheese, I
$3
think.
grand? No way.
That's close.
Oh, that's nice. A little bit over the budget, but that's nice.
Yeah, nice things in it.
I think this one, is that the one you touch?
Yeah, that's the...
Touch. There you go, and it goes see-through.
I like that.
So you don't keep opening it. Anyway, let's go through.
So you don't
That's
get...
right. What is this one?
Oh, I like this one. I feel like that one's a good one. No,
Has it got ice?
I want tap.
No, no ice.
One's a different version, so it's a quad door.
Quad door, $19.99, but no ice, Liv.
So ice and water, the ice still comes through down, or this is the manual one.
No, we don't want that. So right now, Good Guys, this one is our favourite. And do we have them in stock as our fridge died this morning? Thank you, my man. And then we've got 2 more shops to go to. Alright, we've just finished at the Good Guys. We found the fridge we want, but it was missing some water thing, so it's not available. Now we're off to, where are we off to now?
We got Harvey Norman.
Harvey Norman, let's go Harvey Norman. See what they've got. Hello, how are you? Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, good, thank you. We're fridge shopping. Second last stop, Harvey Norman. Let's go check this out. We're here. There's the clowns right there. Shouldn't be calling them that. Let's go. Yeah, good, how are you? Boom, 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 boom. No beds, no couches, no nothing. No, not beds, just fridges. Fridges.
I can see what? I get some tea fuel.
No, you're not going there. We're not doing anything. We're going straight to the fridges. This way. And yeah, we should get Mason one of these.
Oh, it's a go-kart lift.
Another vlog in here, are you?
Yeah, we're gonna. Well, we're doing a family vlog. All right, so this is the deal we need to beat.
Exact same one. Yeah.
Oh, so I've got a deal I need to beat, right?
So we're going, good guys, going to Harvey Norman, the last stop.
Oh boy, here we go.
You've got the model and we're going to pinch it.
Oh yeah, I know the one.
20 minutes later.
We have found a fridge. Ta-da! Ready? So here, ta-da! Yep, and it's got
Free.
the door you wanted. So it's got the...
Now I can sit in it.
No. No.
We're playing hide and seek. I need to find it.
Right.
That's what Liv is, what she just said. Because.
Here it is. An exciting video of us buying our
I think
fridge.
we found our fridge.
We have found our fridge. It's going to get delivered, so we'll finish the video off with...
Fridging!
Yeah, but tomorrow, not today. So, yeah. Let's go. We'll show you the finished result of the fridge soon.
Can we get food? Yeah, can we get food? We're starving. I'm coming.
So where's our new fridge?
Over there.
We finally got it delivered.
Finally.
Finally.
Whatever.
Within a day.
Finally. We've already got so much food in it.
Ta-da!
Water, cubed ice, crushed ice, water again.
And let's show our old fridge.
And our old fridge looks like this.
Brrr, that's our old fridge, people.
I actually like my old fridge
Why do you like your old fridge?
because I don't. I like why you look like it.
What?
You look like the fridge. No.
Solid. I'll take that as a compliment. So there it is. Thank you for watching our fridge video that Leo thought was going to be boring.
That's pretty boring.
Subscribe to our channel.
No one subscribe. Everyone subscribe. Actually,
Give us a like if you like this kind of fridge content.
content.
And Olivia and Leo don't have that many subscribers. Dear Liz.
You don't know, subscribe to Liv, just me, and that would be Kafkas.
Let's show our fridge. There it is. Bye bye. I know we haven't done a video in a little while. YouTube misses us. What are you trying to show? We back, baby.
Wait, you
Okay, no one wants to see inside the fridge. We back. Peace.
Control.
Bye.
Kyle.
Bye bye.
Bye.